start again.
I have started collecting a dataset. I show how I'm doing this. If you're interested, watch the rest. Hey, I am back. After 2 weeks, I guess, I found a little time between the tons of homeworks and projects in my university to take this video. And during the corona pandemic, all the universities in my country are closed, and I think I will have more free time, but I was wrong. They are excusing us under the projects and the homeworks in the university. If you didn't already, please spend a little time to subscribe to my channel. It will be so helpful for me. Before I've uploaded just part1 tutorial in English, but there are some other courses in Persian. You can search in my channel and find them. But I will upload the next tutorial in the next few weeks if I find more free time. After these tutorials, I think I will start a project and cast for you guys from development to deployment on net to see the procedure of a machine learning project in the real world and solve a real world problem by machine learning. Okay, as I said, I've started collecting a dataset for face liveness detection. But what is face liveness detection? Consider someone who wants to fool your phone, the phone who unlocked with your face, with your mask, covering his face or her face with your mask, or showing your phone the photo of yourself, like this, and fool yourself and open your phone and unlock it. So we need people's faces, images and videos. At the very first step, I create a consent form and ask the people who want to participate in this research to sign it, to allow us to use their pictures and videos for academic research, so you don't face legal issues in the future. This is the most important step in collecting a dataset, otherwise you may lost your dataset. In the other side, the value of your dataset is to share it with other researchers, and for this you have to take request and get permission from the participants to share and save their data, their face data, images and videos, to save them and share with other researchers. Okay, in the second step, I ask people to record 2 types of videos, each video in 10 seconds. One of them in an environment with enough light, like this. This is the environment with a good light, and the other one in an environment with a lower light, like this. Each of these videos must be at least 10 seconds, so we can edit them in the future if required, but at least 10 seconds, and they must specify with what type of device they are recording this video. Samsung Galaxy X5, iPhone Pro 11 or other things. They must specify the type of the device they are recording the 2 videos, and they must record the 2 types of video with 1 device. This is the first step in collecting the dataset and is an overview of our way to collecting this dataset. I share you the next steps and the people they sign the consent form. I'll share you the next steps, and I'll absolutely share with you the consent form I have prepared for this dataset, and I show you what we are going to do with this image data and videos for creating an anti-face spoofing application, and the procedure how we are going to make this application step by step. I wish you have found this video helpful. If so, please like and comment everything you want. Request the highest vibes. Bye.